Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I got something a little different for you. I was shopping at the big old Wally World there and looking for something different to eat, something different to cook you guys, you know, and came across this. It's P.F. Chang's Mongolian beef, Mongolian style beef. I like Mongolian beef. Usually eat it when I go to Chinese restaurants and stuff, and P.F. Chang's is a good name, so figure what the heck, we'll try. Looks relatively easy. Basically, you heat the skillet up, throw it in, cover it, cook it, stir it, eat it. So let's get to cooking and we'll see how this stuff turns out. Alright y'all, I'm going to read the instructions off here. It says heat large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until hot, about 2 minutes, and it says add the meat stuff to the skillet. So let's get this thing here heating up, and got medium-high heat there. I'm going to go ahead and open this bag up, see what we got inside. So doesn't say to use any oil or anything. I'm assuming it already has it all on there. Opening the bag up, it smells really good, so I'm going to let this heat up, and once it's good and hot, we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, I think I got this pan warm enough here. I can't touch it, so I'm going to dump this in here. She's starting to sizzle. It says to cook it, cover it and cook it for 4 minutes, so I'm going to set the timer and we're going to cook her. So I'm going to let you all watch that, and I'm going to hang out. Five, four, three, two, one. Alright, there's the end of that, and it smells really good. And so now it says to uncover it and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to set the timer for another 6 minutes. It says stir and cook. So we're going to stir and cook. Like I said, it smells really good. And I was reading the outside of the package here, and it says it has let me see. It's got it's beef with a sweet and savory sauce, onions, string beans, and red bell pepper. Sounded yummy, so yeah, we're gonna cook her up. So like I said, it smells really good, so we'll find out if it is good. Five, four, three, two, one. Alright, y'all. Been like 6 minutes there. That sauce is thickened up nice. This looks really good. So, alright, I'm gonna get that pulled off, get this pulled off the heat, and get a bowl. We'll get this plated up, and we'll bring it back for a taste test. Alright, y'all, there you have it. The P.F. Chang's Mongolian beef. We're going to give this a taste test, but first we're going to do the beverage of the day. It's the Sprite Winter Spiced Cranberry. Tastes pretty good. I like it. It's a special edition for the holidays, you know. So, alright. I got the Mongolian beef here. That's pretty good. Not bad for a box meal, or a bag meal, I should say. Got a little green bean action there. I think we'll give that the... I got stuff on my face? I don't know, can't tell. Anyways, we'll give that the bare seal of approval. Give it a thumbs up. So, there you have it, y'all. I know it's kind of a short one there, but it's the holidays. I haven't really felt, I mean, I've been doing a lot of other cooking for the gatherings and stuff like that. This is just an evening wind down. I didn't want to spend real long in the kitchen here, so I mean, that was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that, and a pretty good meal. So if y'all can find them in the store, give it a try. You know, maybe I should have made some rice or something to go with it, but I'm just doing a quick meal tonight. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Go down and give me a comment down there in the bottom section there. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Get all the notifications, everything we do here, either in the kitchen, in the shop, at the tractor pulls, or even out on the road. You never know where we're going to be. So, appreciate you all watching, and as always, bear appetit.